The EAVision J70 is an agricultural spray drone built with the farmer in mind. Those who want professional-grade coverage and precision without the high price, complexity, or crew requirements of a larger model. The J70 is a versatile and powerful machine, capable of applying product anywhere, even where traditional methods fail. Whether you're spreading cover crop seed over standing corn, treating wet fields after a storm in order to hit timely application windows, or working in small cut-up fields, the J70 has your back. The size, weight, and tank capacity of the J70 are perfect for the solo operator or do-it-yourself farmer. The drone is light enough that it can be loaded and unloaded from the back of a pickup by a single operator. Batteries are lightweight and easy to swap, with a versatile charger that can be used at the farm shop or with any off-the-shelf generator. Industry-leading terrain following and obstacle avoidance paired with excellent flight time means the J70 can get just about anywhere. A more compact footprint means you don't need a huge trailer setup. Add the intuitive software, and it's the perfect drone for a first-time operator. EAVision builds their products with the operator in mind. Their drones are simple yet advanced, repairable yet innovative. The J70 shares almost every part with either the J100 or the J150, ensuring future-proof parts supply and compatibility. Through our nationwide dealer network, we're proud to partner with EAVision to deliver products, systems, and updates that are specifically curated for the U.S. operator, ensuring industry-leading customer support and service throughout the Agri Spray Drones ecosystem. The J70 takes the footprint of the J100 and adds the brains of the J150. It has a 12-gallon liquid tank, a 110-pound spreader tank, and CCMS spray nozzles that provide fine, uniform atomization with adjustable droplet sizes from 10 to 620 microns. Flow rates go up to 6.3 gallons per minute, and flight speed is up to 30 miles per hour. And with the powerful LiDAR and radar arrays on EAVision drones, you get those flight speeds over flat or hilly ground. The layout and components of the J70 are curated to give you reliable efficiency, whether this is your first spray drone or in addition to your fleet. Call 573-519-5000. Visit agrispraydrones.com or connect with your local dealer for a demo today.